10 foods that boost the brain activity. Fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fish like salmon, trout, and sardines can support brain health and improve cognitive function. Blueberries. These berries are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids, which can enhance brain function and delay brain aging. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Broccoli, a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Broccoli is known to support brain health and protect against cognitive decline. Pumpkin seeds. These seeds are rich in antioxidants, iron, magnesium, zinc, and other nutrients that support brain function and improve memory. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa contains antioxidants and caffeine, which can improve focus, mood, and cognitive function. Nuts. Various nuts, such as walnuts, almonds, and cashews, provide beneficial nutrients like antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin E that support brain health. Oranges. Citrus fruits like oranges are high in vitamin C, which is essential for preventing mental decline and supporting a healthy brain. Eggs. Eggs are rich in several nutrients that promote brain health, including vitamins B6 and B12, folate, and choline. Green tea contains caffeine and antioxidants that can improve brain function, enhance focus, and promote mental alertness.